I'll guide you how to make Notion template. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to Notion.com and log in with your Gmail account. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu under the Private section, click Add New, and choose the Build with AI option. For this demonstration, I'm creating a grocery planner for kids, but you can customize it however you like. When you type your prompt, make sure it's specific. Include your kids' names, the grocery items you need, and the quantities for each one. The more detail you provide, the better the AI will generate a template that fits your needs. Once it's done, click Continue and finish the setup. Now your template is ready to use. To add a new list, simply click New Item in the bottom left corner. If you want to add new categories, click Edit Property, then hit the plus icon and name your new category. This applies to most of the fields, so feel free to fully customize everything from properties to layouts to suit your preferences. And just like that, you've got an easy to customize template on Notion.